Aloha, my name is Nalani and we're here at the Mai Kai restaurant in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. In this clip, we're going to teach you how to make a double lei. There are many different kinds of leis. There are penny leis, candy leis, and haku leis, but in this case, we're going to teach you how to make a double lei. A double lei is a little bit different from a regular flower lei because you use twice as many flowers, and the way you string it is through the side instead of through the bottom of the flower. The supplies you will need are the string, of course, a scissors to cut the string with, and then your needle, and of course the flowers too. Step one in making your double lei is you take your flower and you remove the stem, take your needle that is already strung, and you're going to put the needle through the flower sideways. So in an orchid, you're going to go right through the side and come up on the top of the flower. String it all the way to the end. Take another flower, take off the stem again, string it through the side of the flower again, and when you get down to the first flower, you're going to put it in a different direction, opposite of the first flower. The next flower, remove the stem again, go through the side, then you go in another direction. So actually when you string it, the flowers are going like north, south, east, and west, like in a square. After you've strung all the flowers together, eventually you'll have this beautiful double lei. And that's how you make a double lei. This is Nalani from the Mai Kai restaurant in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. Thank you for watching.